Hello again. This is a wheel holder that I built for my XP Lite. When I changed from the knobby tires over to the BMX tires, I wanted something to hold the wheels so it would make it easier to change the tires and tubes. And this here really fits the bill. Now there's the main steel portion that holds the wheel, and then I have a rod with a tie wrap that I can use to check the trueness of the wheel. And I'll show you how this works here in just a minute. And I will include the sketch that shows the dimensions for this particular tool. Now this shows the holder mounted in my vise, but you could mount this anywhere. You could drill a hole through here and mount it to a workbench, or clamp it in a Black & Decker workmate. Whatever you have, it will work. Dowel that I have here for the truing goes in like this, and I just have a thumb screw that holds it. Here I have the rear wheel mounted in the holder. There's the dowel with the tie wrap, and hopefully you can see how easy it is to check the trueness of the wheel. And that these wheels, they check pretty good. Actually, very good. So again, there's a wheel mounted in the vertical position, and I don't need to have this here if you don't want it. There's just a holder. And I'll show you what it looks like with the wheel in the other two positions. Now here's the wheel mounted in the holder at a 45-degree angle. And I found this position to be extremely helpful when I was changing the tire and the tube. It just worked really well. Last but not least, this is the tire in the horizontal position. And there's a wheel back in the vertical position. Now, you can buy these wheel holders from Park Tool and other suppliers. And they run over $100. And I'm guesstimating this cost me at most $5 and just my time to make it. If you should decide to make one of these, all you need is some flat stock and a vise and a ball peen hammer. That's all I had. And one tip I will make is when you clamp your flat stock in the vise, make sure that it is square to the face of the vise. If you don't, you'll wind up with a mess and nothing will line up on your final bend. Now this holder turned out almost perfect on the final bend. And that was because I had the flat stock perpendicular to the face for every bend. If you get this skewed off like that, even that much, it's cumulative and you get to your last bend and it will not line up on the end here. Now I did weld this one when I was finished with it, but you don't really need to. If you drill a hole through here and put a nut and a bolt, that'll work just fine. So that's it. That's my wheel holder for my XP Lite. Thanks again, and have a nice day.